experiencing the frustrating can't follow message on Instagram. Let's get you back to connecting with your favorite creators and friends. First, let's tackle the most common culprit: your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can easily disrupt Instagram's operations. You can test this by trying to load a website or another app. If that's slow, try switching from Wi-Fi to your cellular data, or vice versa. You might even consider restarting your router or modem for a fresh connection. Next, we need to investigate potential account restrictions. Instagram might temporarily limit your ability to follow if it detects unusual activity, like following too many accounts too quickly. This is to prevent spam. Take a break from following for a few hours, or even up to 24 hours, and then try again. Always ensure you're adhering to Instagram's community guidelines. Sometimes, it's the app itself that needs a little refresh. Clearing your Instagram cache can resolve various glitches for Android users. Go to your phone's settings, then Apps, find Instagram, tap on Storage, and select Clear Cache for iOS. You'll need to uninstall and reinstall the app. Don't worry, your account and data are safe. After trying these steps, open Instagram again and attempt to follow the user you wanted. Hopefully, this resolves the issue and you can resume enjoying all your social interactions on the platform.